Hi, my name is Katherine and I'm researching why students struggle to learn physics. Just imagine that I told you that cows can fly. You probably wouldn't believe me. That's because we relate any new information to what we already know, like that cows are heavy, not very aerodynamic, and don't really have wings. If new knowledge doesn't fit with what we already know, then we're quite likely to reject it. It isn't that different when students are learning about science. They don't just absorb information like sponges, sometimes they reject what they are taught by their teachers, or combine scientific facts with their own ideas. For example, young children sometimes believe that the Earth is round and that things fall down because of gravity. But they might have their own ideas about what down actually means. A lot of research has been done into what common misconceptions students have, such as that light from a candle goes further in the dark than in daylight, and that a light bulb lights up when the electricity from two wires clashes together. Lots of different misconceptions have been found, but the problem is that much of this past research just lists students' common misconceptions, which oversimplifies their ideas, when student ideas about science can actually be very complicated. For example, if a student has the misconception that there is no gravity on the moon, it might be because he believes that gravity is caused by air pressure, and because there is no air on the moon, that means there can't be any gravity either. It's probably not enough to tell the student that there is gravity on the moon, just like it's not enough to tell you that cows can fly to make you believe it. We'll have to change his whole theory of gravity. And that's potentially quite difficult. For a start, the concept of gravity is connected with other concepts like mass and weight, so he'll need to understand those too. Another problem is that even if students are shown evidence that their ideas are wrong, then they may find it easier to reject the evidence rather than change their mind and adapt their whole way of thinking about a concept. So I'm researching how students' understanding of different related physics concepts, like gravity, mass and weight, develop together and what problems students have in order to help improve teaching. Thanks for watching!